Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, right behind me is a 650 S2 Sub-Zero refrigerator, and we are going to show you the steps required to properly level your fridge after installation. It's pretty easy. All you need is a screwdriver and a socket and ratchet tool. After you do finish up the installation process and putting the refrigerator into the enclosure, it is very important that you properly level the refrigerator for a few different reasons. Number one, there are a few different parts inside the refrigerator that help cool the refrigerator as well as freezer, and those moving parts require lubrication. So in the event that the refrigerator is not properly level, that will interfere with the fluid levels that each of the parts require. And the second reason is the obvious: you don't want items inside your refrigerator leaning or sliding. Last thing you want is to open the door and a gallon jug of milk slide right off the shelf and onto the floor and explode. Not cool. So with that said, let's do it. First thing we want to do is direct our attention to the lower portion underneath the actual freezer, and you have this cover plate and two Phillips screws. You can pull this entire cover plate off and gain access to the actual adjusting screws. The adjusting screws are both on the right lower portion of the refrigerator as well as the left over here. And I want to focus on the right side. The adjustment screw on the very front is an 8mm for the 650 S2 model, and this adjusts the rear portion of the fridge. By turning this screw either to the right or left, you can adjust the height of the rear fridge. I recommend doing it in sync with the left side. So what I will do is adjust this slightly and then hop to the left side and adjust that. After that, I will direct my attention to this portion, and this is what raises and lowers the front of the refrigerator. I grabbed a 9/32 socket and ratchet wrench, and I will position this accordingly. And just again, by adjusting this left and right, you can raise and lower the front portion of the refrigerator. And just like the rear adjustment screw, you want to do this in sequence. So don't adjust this 2 inches up and then go to the opposite side. Adjust this about 1/8 of an inch and then hop to the other side. As you turn it to the left, the level mount will raise the refrigerator. And by switching my ratchet and shifting it to the right, you can see the level mount will lower the refrigerator. After adjusting the rear and the front level mounts, inside I have placed a level, as you can see here, and that's pretty good. And I just want to turn it to the side and see how it is from that point as well. Just a slight bit off in the front, so as you can see, as I pull up on the level, that level goes to the right and down. So what I need to do is adjust the front level mounts just a little bit more to ensure my refrigerator is properly leveled. Again, side to side, it looks really good. I just need to adjust front to back. After doing that, I have checked inside. That looks really good, and I do want to place the level on the outside of the door. And the last portion I want to measure is inside the refrigerator at the very lower point, and that looks pretty good. From here, I can just kind of drop it down to the freezer door and see that that is level as well. And I can even open this up and come in here and see it looks pretty good. That's it. I hope the video helped. Do me a huge favor, press that thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your YouTube notifications. Once you do that, every video we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that would be awesome. Thanks again. See you at the next video.